Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video from math subject, lines and angles topic we are going to continue. In our previous video, up to 31 questions already we have completed children. Now let's start with the next question, 32nd one. And here the question. Find the unknown angle x in the figure. So they have given one figure in that. Here 100 degrees angle is mentioned. Here 45 degrees angle is mentioned. Here we have x angle x. We have to find the value of x. So here if you look at the figure, we can observe that this BZ is parallel to DF. BZ is parallel to DF. For finding x, let's do a small construction. From C, we can draw a line which is parallel to both BG and DF. Let us name it as CH. Now we have to draw a line CH such that it is parallel to BZ and it is parallel to EF. Sorry, DF. It is parallel to DF. So now according to this BZ and CH are parallel lines and BC is the transversal. This X is divided into two parts. Upper part let it be A, below part let it be B. So now this 100 degrees and angle B, they will make co-interior angles whose sum is equal to 180 degrees. 100 plus B equal to 180 degrees. So B value should be 80 degrees. So according to co-interior angles concept, 100 plus B equal to 180 degrees. So B value will be 80 degrees. In the same way, this angle A and this 45, because CH and DE are parallel lines and CE is the transversal, this angle A and angle 45, they will make corresponding angles pair which are equal. So A value equal to 45 degrees. So A value equal to 45 degrees. Now we have to find X value, which is a sum of A and B. Which is sum of A and B, which is a sum of 80 and 45, which is equal to 125 degrees. So option B is correct. Next, 33rd question. Observe the figure given. Compute the sum of X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. So by observing the figure, we have to find out the sum of X, Y, Z angles. First we have to find their values, then we have to find their sum. So this is the figure. So AE is parallel to BD. AE is parallel to BD and BE is parallel to CD. If here angle 150 degrees is given, this total part 150, this total part 70, this single part X. This total part is 150. This single part is X. So then this part, only this part will become 150 minus X. 150 minus X. And again, this total part 70. This part X. Only this part will become 70 minus X. 70 minus X. So now 70 minus X. So now how to find these values? We have to find X. Now this total parts, these three parts, if we add this 150 minus X part, this X part, this 70 minus X part, this first part, second part, third parts lying on a same straight line ABC. So their sum will be equal to 180 degrees. So 150 minus x plus x plus 70 minus x equal to 180 degrees. They are lying on the same straight line. So minus x plus x cancel. 150 plus 70, 220. 220 minus x equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So minus x will go that side, 180 will come this side. X equal to 220 minus 180, which is equal to 40 degrees. X value, we will get 40 degrees. X value 40. So now, this AE line is parallel to BD, and BE is the transversal. So this Y and this X, they will make alternate angles pair. This Y and X. So if X is 40, X equal to Y, if X is 40, Y also will become equal to 40. Due to alternate angles concept, Y value is becoming 40. So now BE and CD are the parallel lines, and BC is the transversal. BC is the transversal. So this angle, this total angle, and this Z angle make co-interior angle pair. This total angle, this angle will make co-interior angle pair whose sum is equal to 110 degrees. If this is 70, Z value will be 110. So X value we got 40, Y value we got 40, Z value we have got 110. If we add the sum, 110 plus 40, 150 plus 40, 190. Option C is right. Option C is right. Next one, 34th question. If the angles 2a minus 10, a minus 11 are complementary, what is the value of a? Two angles are complementary means their sum 2a minus 11 plus a minus 11. Their sum will be equal to 90 degrees. Then only they will be said as complementary. 2a plus a equal to 3a minus 11 equal to minus 22 equal to 90 degrees. Or 3a equal to 90 degrees. This minus 22 will go towards right hand side. It will become plus 22, which is equal to 112. So a equal to 112 by 3. Sorry, 1, 9 to 11, 112. Okay. 2a, sorry, children. This is 2a minus 10. 2a minus 10, 21. Plus 21. 111. So 3 times 9, 2 is remaining, 21, 3 7 times 21. So A value is 37 degrees. So option A is right. Next one. OP is a ray standing on the line OR such that POQ equal to POR. So their common point is O. OP is a ray standing on OR. Common point is O. So OP is a ray standing on OR such that POQ equal to POR, such that POR, whatever angle we have, same angle, we have another point Q, which is same like POR. POR equal to POQ. So what is the measure of POQ? What is the measure of POQ? So these two angles are equal. And uh, they are lying on a same straight line, so they will make a linear pair. Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. If both are x and x, 2x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 90 degrees, or POQ equal to 90 degrees. Next one, 36th question. In the figure given, what is the value of angle T? What is the value of angle T? If you observe the figure, this angle is T plus 10 degrees, this angle is T, this angle is T plus 20 degrees. These three angles are around a point O on the same side of the transversal, whose sum is 180 degrees. So T plus 10, T plus 20 equal to 180 degrees, T plus T equal to 3T, plus 10 plus 20 equal to 30 degrees. That sum equal to 180 degrees, or 3T equal to this 30 will come this side, 180 minus 30, 150, or T equal to 150 by 3, which is equal to 50 degrees. So option C is right. Next one. In the figure given, A is parallel to B, C is parallel to D, angle 1 is 75 degrees. What is the measure of angle 3? So AB are parallel, CD are parallel, angle 1 value 75. If AB are parallel, if C is the transversal, this 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. If 1 is 75, 2 also will be equal to 75. And if CD are parallel, if B is the transversal, these 3 angles are co-interior, whose sum is 180. If 2 is 75, 3 will be 105. If 1 is 75, 2 will be 75 because of corresponding angles concept. These two are co-interior. So that sum will make 180. In 180, one angle is 75. What about other angle? 180 minus 75, 105. Option A is right. Please change option B as 115, children. Both options are same here. You can change B option. So option A is correct. Next, children. 38th. So in the figure given, angle XOZ, angle YOZ form a linear pair. And the angles are P and Q. If P minus Q equal to 80 degrees, what are the respective values of P and Q? So in the figure, they have given these two will form a linear pair. So P plus Q equal to 180 degrees. That is one hint. Another hint, P minus Q equal to 80 degrees. We have to find P and Q. So P plus Q equal to 180 degrees because they make linear pair. Now if we add both the equations, P plus P, 2P, minus Q plus Q cancel, 80 plus 180, 260. Or P equal to 260 by 2, which is equal to 130 degrees. But P and Q will make a linear pair. If P is 130, Q will be 50 degrees. So P value 130, Q value 50. So answer 130, 50. Option B is right. Because they are asking respective values. So that's why P value we have to tell first, then Q value. Next one, 39. In the figure given, what is the value of T? What is the value of T? Here, children, in the given figure, we have PQ line, RS line, UV line intersecting at point O. At point O, actually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. But out of 6 angles, Only 3 angles measures they have given. The other 3 will be vertically opposite to them. If this is phi t, this part will become phi t because vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is 2t, this part will become 2t. If this is phi t, this upper part will become phi t. So this will become 2t, this will become phi t, this will become phi t. So all 3 angles are repeating. So phi t plus is vertically opposite angle phi t, 2t plus this vertically opposite angle 2t, this phi t plus vertically opposite angle phi t. These are the all angles formed at point O, formed around O, whose sum will make a complete angle which is 360 degrees. So phi t plus phi t 10t, 2t plus 2t 4t, 10t plus 4t 14t plus 10t, 24t equal to 360 degrees. So t equal to 360 degrees by 24. 12 30 times, 12 2 times. Next 215 times. So t value 15 degrees. So option C. You can strike off this line, 15 degrees, C value. Next 40. Given ABE is a straight line, find angle Y. So they have given that ABE is a straight line. We have to find the value of Y. So AB is a straight line, DC is parallel to AB, and AD is the transversal. This 2x and x will make co-interior angles pair whose sum is supplementary. So 2x plus x equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus x, 3x equal to 180 degrees. So our x equal to 60 degrees. We have got x value 60 degrees. And this AD is parallel to BC and ABE is the transversal. So this x and y will make corresponding angles. So x equal to y. So y also equal to 60 degrees. So option A is right. Next, 41. In the given figure, what is the measure of Q? What is the measure of Q? What is the measure of Q? So here AB is parallel to DE. For identifying the transversal, we have to draw one more parallel line through P. Let's draw one more parallel line. One more parallel line through P. FZ parallel to AB, parallel to DE. One minute. There is some problem with this figure here. So let's consider the same one here. So we have to measure the angle Q. So here we have drawn another parallel line FZ which is parallel to both AB and DE. So AB and FG are parallel. This suppose if it is C, this AC is the transversal. So because of this paralleling, P is divided into two parts. So upper part let it be X and below part let it be Y, XY. Now this Q equal to X because they are alternate angles, and this Y equal to 42 because they are alternate angles. So but this total part is 270. So this total part will be equal to 90 degrees. So angle P equal to 90 degrees. Because this complete angle is 360, out of 360, if we remove 270, this P part will be 90 degrees. But P part is x plus y equal to 90 degrees. P part is divided into two parts, x and y, where x equal to q because alternate angles concept, and y equal to 42. It is also alternate angles concept. Q plus 42 equal to 90. So Q equal to 90 minus 42, which is equal to 48 degrees. So option A is right. That's all for today, children. Remaining we can learn in our next video. Thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day.